Famous 2, and I'm back with another video. What up with y'all, man? Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make money online. The internet, your phone, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna start this video off by showing you proof, just in case you're curious if this is like a promotion that I get paid to do, or something where like one of those things, you know, where they get you to sign up and I get something for it. It's none of that. This is a completely free method from me to you. So I really want you to sit down and take this information in. Now, it's a million different ways you can make money online. This is just one way. Now, this particular method is using an app called Mercari. So if you don't know what it is, it's basically an app where you buy and sell stuff you don't want. Whether you're in high school, college, or even working a 9 to 5, you can do this as a side job. But for me, I do a lot of different stuff on the internet. I own a couple e-com businesses, and this is just one of my income streams. Now, this income stream alone, I could live off of. That's how powerful this method is. So listen. There's gonna be 2 parts to this video. First, beginning, where we're at now. I'm gonna just give you the rundown on how the app works. And the second part, the advanced part, where I show you how I make money and you can copy and do the same as well. Now, before we get started, I wanna just show you guys proof. Because who likes to listen to somebody who doesn't show proof, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you proof of how much money I've been making off the app. And I got my phone right here, so just to show you proof that it's not fake. I'm not gonna post any screenshot. This is gonna be strictly on my phone, showing you solid proof. Alright, so let's go to Mercari. The app looks like this, a little purple M app. So you want to click that. I click that, right? And I'll show you my balance is 0 right now. But underneath that balance, you see $233.71 in processing, meaning that money is on hold. Now, I deposited some of that money into my bank account to send to my brother, because you know I gotta take care of my little brother. He's in college, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta take care of the family. And to show you a little bit more proof on that, I'm gonna let the clip roll. Right before the actual video, because my brother just texted me, he said he needed some money. Now, my brother's in college, so you know I gotta make sure he's straight. So right now I'm about to send some money from my Mercari account. I'm about to send money from Mercari to my bank account so I can send to him through Cash App. Now, I'm recording this just to show y'all proof. So hold on, let me exit out the app. Okay, see, now we got the app. I'm gonna click on Mercari, and you see I got 301 processing, $301.21 processing, 35.71 already in the account. Now I can shop with this balance, or I can deposit it into my bank account or whatever. So I'm about to deposit this and send my brother some money. Let me show y'all this too real quick, because I may have passed my limit. Like, it's got 2 options where you send it to your bank account. You can do an instant pay, which only takes like a minute or 2, and you'll see the money in your account. Or you can do like the regular one, which takes like, I mean, the times I've done it only took like 1 or 2 days to come in. So one of those 2 options. Now, the instant pay one, you can go over your limit. Like, the limit for instant pay is like $500. So if you go over selling $500 worth of stuff, you have to stop doing the instant pay, but only for a month, for that month. So you get like a $500 limit per month for instant pay, but you still have access to the 1 or 2 days into your bank account. So I mean, that's nothing, but I mean, most people like to get their money right then and there, man. I mean, I can chill and wait a day or 2. Oh, well, it started over this month. That's good. So I hit transfer, right? I hit transfer, and I'm gonna go to, see, the instant pay has instant pay up top, and it has direct deposit. You can pause the video and read right here, but if I click on instant pay, you see right there that little sentence at the bottom. It says remaining this month $500. So it's a new month, so I can write it up again. So yeah, man, let me go on and do that. And yeah, y'all get back to the video and enjoy. So as you can see, yes, this is real. And again, my balance is 0, 233 in processing, right? So if I swipe to the left, no, to the right from Yahweh, you'll see that's how much money I made in less than 30 days. And I only sold 16 products. And you do the math. I'm just chilling. I ain't even went hard on this. So you can easily make 1,500, 3,000, 3,000, 5,000. It don't matter. Whatever, however much work you put into it. So the basics. How do I make money on this app? Let's say I got this water bottle, Karma water bottle. I'm just using it for example. You can't really. I guess you could sell water, but I don't think you should. Right? I download the app. I sign up. I boom. Just take a picture. Take good pictures of it. And I list the item for however much I want to sell it for. If you search around in the app, you can kind of see what's selling. Main things that sell on the app are clothes, shoes, jewelry, etc. Anything basically. So if you got anything around the house, designer name, brand, clothes that you don't wear, you don't want anymore, take a picture, list it, list your price, and somebody in the world is going to buy that from you. And all you have to do is ship it. After someone buys it from you on the app, you're going to print out a label that's already paid for. You take it to the shipping place, and they're going to ship your package to the customer. And then you get your money. Now you might say, well, how long does it take for me to get my money? The longest I waited to get money was 3 days. That's the longest I waited to get money. Hold on, dog bark. Redo! Okay, so now like I was saying, the longest that it took me to get my money in my bank account was 3 days. I had to wait 3 days for the money to come in. But that's not bad at all. That's just how the app works. Now, I'm gonna teach you how I make money, how I was able to generate close to $1,500, only selling 16 items off just using my phone. Now you might say, too, you might got a lot of stuff to sell. No. What I do is I buy items from Amazon, cheap items, and I sell them for a higher perceived value. For example, I use Amazon as my supplier. Now everybody should be familiar with Amazon. So let's just say a phone case. I want to sell a phone case. So I go to Amazon and I got this white phone case, right? Only $12.99. I will buy that phone case and I will list it for $40. You do the math. Now I know you're like, oh, I don't want to put no money into it. I thought it was for free. It is for free, but my method is not free. It takes money to make money. So if you got like $10, $15, $20 just sitting around, I mean, you spend it on like food or going somewhere, put it in gas, things of that nature, you mean to tell me you can't put it to the side and invest in this to make more money? Slave. But here's the trick to this method, so you won't lose. When you go looking for a product to sell, you want to get the pictures and only list the picture. You don't want to buy the product first and then take pictures at home and list them. No, that's not what you want to do. Because you might buy a product you think is going to sell and then nobody ever buys it and then you're stuck with the product. You know what I'm saying? So what you want to do, you want to go to Amazon, eBay, or wherever you shop at. You want to screenshot the pictures from your phone or save it, however you do it. You want to do that. You want to crop it to where it doesn't have all that extra website stuff in it. It just looks like a clean picture. Make sure you get a couple of the pictures. You list it, set your price, and wait for somebody to buy. Once somebody buys it from you, Mercari is going to hold that money that they sent and wait for you to ship it. Then that's when you buy the product from Amazon, eBay, or whatever. I suggest using Amazon because you can use Prime to get the product in 2 days, right? Get the product in 2 days, you go ship it. You wait until the customer receives their product, they're going to rate you. Once they rate you, Mercari is going to release the money to you for you to have in your bank account or whatever you want to do with it. So imagine me listing like 50 products and going hard on this every day. Because you can wake up and screenshot, crop the pictures, and list the product every day, just one. But imagine if you put in the work, posting like 5 products a day, 10, 50, maybe even 100. You got 24 hours out the day. Why not use them? So now I know you're like, dang, that's smart as fuck. I can list a lot of products. I can make a lot of money. man, run the bag up. Cause like I said, this is just one income stream for me. I got other stuff I do on the internet as well. But if I were to really go hard and do this, you seen the proof. I made like $1,500 in less than 30 days. In less. Not in 30 days, in less. Swear to God, God, strike me down right now. But yeah, if you want my expertise, you want me to drop another video going in detail about it, make sure you leave a like on this video and comment down below so I'll know you want me to drop that for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to turn on post notifications so you will be notified when I drop another video. With that being said, thank y'all for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. I really hope you took some in. I'm famous too. I'm out.
She got ass, she go ooh wee. I go deep and make you ski. Got a new back row rats come neat. My young nigga spinning like jam of the week. Get doses of dick to the bitch OD. Bustin' and shaking like ooh wee. You know what you do to me, my bitch on me like jewelry.